Good day guys, Azat from Grand 4x4. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the G4 Canopy for the Silverado. This specific one here is the 1500 with the side glass windows. Of course, the first thing you'll notice is how good it fits the car. If you have a look at it from the side, just have a look at that side profile, how beautifully it goes. It matches the car, follows the angles, follows the lines, built to the exact shape of the tub. Now, most of the utes on the market are not rectangular. The tubs are usually wider at the front than at the back. That means we have to work and we have to design the canopy in such a way that the front part of the canopy doesn't stick in. You will notice that on a lot of the other canopies on the market, the front of the canopy will stick in and you'll have a big gap on the front, leaving a big lip on the tub, which looks ugly. As you can see on this one, we've designed it to perfectly match the side profile. So the canopy is actually following the same lines as the top there. If you don't know about the G4 Canopy, this is a one-piece stainless steel and aluminium. We call it a hybrid construction. Top canopy, available for a lot of different utes, including the American utes. The main thing with G4, obviously, it's a one-piece construction, the strength, the reliability, the fit and the finish that you get. Multifunction LED lights on the outside, which are brake, parker, indicator. Makes it very, very unique, stands out. If you see a G4 on the road, you'll instantly recognize that it's a G4. You can't mistake it. You've got three-way opening into the top space, dual compression locks holding the doors closed, gas struts which lift up the door easily. You've got nice and big opening, obviously, as you can see, and the Silverado having a big tub, it makes it a lot easier, and you can make full use of that big tub. In there, rubber seals all the way around to keep the water and the dust out of there. This one's a sliding window version, which means you've got a built-in sliding window that you can open from the inside. And then if you've got some furry friends, they can ride in the back and get fresh air from in there. You can close it from the outside, but you can't open it from the outside, obviously for security reasons. All the roof rails are standard across the G4 range. 150 kilo dynamic load across the range, 300 kilos of static load, so plenty of capacity there to carry all of your camping gear. No worries there. On the back door, the same thing, dual gas struts, lifting up the door, dual compression locks, locking it in place. Door operated internal light, so that means as soon as you open the door, the internal light, which is based or installed on this frame, pointing down into the tub space, fires up immediately. We also put a switch in there so you can turn it off. For example, if you're at camp and you don't want the bugs to get in and you want to leave the door open, you can turn the light off. Nice and easy. I'll open the other side as well. Same with the right side that we just had a look. The glass side canopies come with windows on both sides, so you've got a window on this side as well. Same sliding window in there. If you have a look inside, you'll see how the canopy fits up perfectly. Just try to open the back here. Obviously, when you look in the top space, you see how much room you have. On the Silverado specifically, the canopy is clamped down, 3 clamps on each side and 2 bolts on each side, securing it in place. Nice and clean interior. We use all black hardware. Everything is purpose-built to suit the vehicle. If you have a look in the ceiling, we've got the channeling in there, so easy to add accessories such as hanging shelves, and you can even make up your own accessories, such as a fishing rod holder, etc. Whatever you can think of, the channeling makes it easy to hang stuff on the top there. The rear door protected by that security mesh, so anyone looking at it from the outside will see that mesh and not bother trying to break the glass, so they can't get in anyway. You still maintain the auto tailgate functionality that closes up, so it works well with the canopy. No effect there. This one is a standard setup. Customers not opted for anything extra. Obviously, we have a wide range of accessories that go with the G4 Canopy, all types of roof racks, platform racks, crossbars, side storage bins. Internally, we can do drawer systems, tray sliders, etc. We We have a lot of customizability when it comes to the G4 range. Obviously the canopy is your base, it's the platform, it's what you get initially, and then you can add to it, you can expand as you figure out what you need from your setup, how it will best suit you. We can add and expand to it. Central locking is also available. So if you don't want to deal with the key locks, we can do central locking on the canopies that hook up to your car key. So it's just one button to unlock your car and the canopy, and one button to lock your car and the canopy. So no separate remotes, just on your car key. That's available, and we can book you in any time for that. As I said, the G4 range is available from a lot of different utes. The quad builder will be in the description below. You can have a look and build your setup the way you want it. And like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, you can get in touch with us directly or leave a comment down below and be part of the conversation. Thank you. See you next time.